all elements all elements forms bicarbonates bicarbonates of formula formula like you can call M. Okay, and this is HCO3. This is called what? Bicarbonate. So having the formula MHCO3 twice. These are unstable in solid form, but stable only in solution form. Okay. Student, you know some of the bicarbonates like calcium bicarbonates, magnesium bicarbonates. Okay, bicarbonates of calcium and magnesium are soluble in water, and causes what? Hardness of water. It causes hardness of water. Okay. On heating, bicarbonates converts into insoluble carbonates. Now these carbonates will have the formula what? MCO3. Now MCO3, that is what? CaCO3, BeCO3, MgCO3. Okay, BaCO3, isn't it? Thermal stability of carbonates of second group. Okay, that is what? MCO3. Okay. Now thermal stability increases down the group, like BeCO3 is less stable, MgCO3 is more stable, okay, CaCO3 is even more stable, and SrCO3, and the most stable will be what? BaCO3. Due to differences in size of metal, okay, and CO3 becomes almost same in case of BaCO3. So it is most stable. And here the difference is very high. It is smaller, it is bigger. Okay. While BeCO3 is less stable due to what? Large difference in size of Be and CO3. Lattice enthalpy is lower. Okay. Now student, on the basis of it, we can explain the next property, solubility in water. Okay. Now, if the lattice enthalpy increases, okay, the solubility will decreases. As lattice enthalpy increases down the group as compared to hydration enthalpy, Hence, solubility in water decreases. Solubility in water what? Decreases. That is what you can say. You can say simply what? BeCO3 is most soluble as compared to BaCO3. So this is due to the lattice enthalpy and the hydration enthalpy. Okay, student, this concept of lattice enthalpy and hydration enthalpy we have to use whenever we are going to compare, okay, the stability of carbonates, sulfates, nitrates, bicarbonates. Okay, and the student solubility in water of all these like nitrates, sulfates, carbonates, oxides, okay, all these is just opposite of thermal stability. That is what? Lattice enthalpy. Student, thermal stability depends on only one factor, lattice enthalpy. But the solubility depends on two factors. Which two factors? First one is what? Lattice enthalpy, and second one is what? Hydration enthalpy. Now the meaning of hydration enthalpy is what? As smaller the size of cation, more will be the chances of its hydration. That is easy to hydration, and as easy to hydration, more will be the solubility. So in case of solubility in water, we have to discuss lattice enthalpy magnitude as well as hydration enthalpy magnitude. But in case of thermal stability, we have to check only one thing, what? Lattice enthalpy. And regarding the lattice enthalpy, one full video is already given in its previous class. That is all the factors which are responsible for increasing or decreasing the lattice enthalpy. So you do refer from there. Similarly, one content on, that is one video on hydration enthalpy is also given there. How hydration enthalpy affects